Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. I'm Bob, and today I'm going to demonstrate installing sheet metal screws with a spanner bit and a spanner screw, snake eye screw, several different names for these out there. We do get some complaints from buyers saying they snap the bits. In several situations you could snap the bit. However, if you use it properly, you will not snap the bit. Some applications where you would possibly snap a bit. One, going into a hardwood without pre-drilling. If you go into hardwood and you don't pre-drill and you just try to drive the sheet metal screw into the wood, chances are you will snap the bit or you'll snap the screw. Either one could happen. I can drive this screw into this softwood, which is a 2x4, with no issues of snapping a bit and remove it. And I'm going to demonstrate that. Another way to snap a bit would be running it into a material, and then on the back end there's some metal that the screw cannot go through, and you're trying and you get an immediate stop in the screw. That will snap a bit. There's only like 2 teeth on one of these spanner bit drivers, and of course they can snap. It's not the perfect world with these type of bits. It's not like a Torx driver or something along those lines where they're very hard to strip out or snap. So I'm going to demonstrate right now installing this. And it's always important to make sure that your bit is square to the screw and the wood, so you have a positive contact. Put your hand on the back of the drill and you'll see I'm just driving it in with no problems, and it'll suck it in. And now I just snapped it. And why did I snap it? I snapped it because the head is countersunk and the screw came to a stopping point. So those who are snapping bits, that would give you a reason. So you can see here, the bit is snapped. So I can't use that bit anymore. If you're driving a screw in a natural piece of wood and not over torquing it, you should have absolutely no problems with the bits. It doesn't matter the quality of the bit. You will still snap the bit if you do that type of situation. All right? Thanks for watching. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.